YouTube only allow file size of thumbnail that is less than 2 megabytes. As in 2 megabytes is the threshold for their thumbnail. So if you happen to make a thumbnail for your YouTube channel and it's more than 2 megabytes and you're getting this error right here, file is bigger than 2 megabytes, I'm going to show you how to fix that issue in this video. So to fix this issue, you have to move the thumbnail which you want to upload to your video to your mobile device and download this app called YouTube Studio. If you're a serious YouTuber, you should have this app on your device already. You open the app and go to your edit section where you want to, you go to where you want to upload your thumbnail. You click on the pencil icon. This app don't actually have the issue that the desktop version of YouTube have. You click on edit, you choose the thumbnail, and this is the same thumbnail I want to use on my desktop. You can see the size, 2.6 megabytes, 1440p, the same thumbnail. So if I go back and look for the files and click on it, upload it, click on save. As you can see, it has saved my thumbnail without telling me that the file size is larger than 2 megabytes. So this is how you fix this issue. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.